Okay, welcome to Art with Jim Freehart. Once again, we're using these really nice solid graphite pencils. This one is a 6B, which means it's very dark and smudgeable. You can see I've been sketching. Okay, so this is the third in that little wave series that is talking about perspective. Here was the first one that showed the waves. Look, if you're looking down a beach at an angle like that, and the waves are coming in to the beach, that would be the first one. This was the second one. If the wave was coming straight at you, that's kind of how you would draw to create the feeling that the wave's coming directly at you. And the third one is the one we'll do today, which will be, instead of the wave coming this direction, it's going to be just the opposite. It'll be the wave coming in. Let's suppose this is our beach. Let's say this is way down the beach here, and this will be the this would be beach all in here. This will be the wave coming in the opposite direction. So like I said in the other lesson, the oval, which would be kind of like this, in this case, the bottom of the oval is closer to the distant vanishing point, or the beach that we're looking at down the waves. And the wave, this will be the lines. It'll show the wave standing up steeper, the peak of the wave, and then here's the wave starting to fall over, to crash over. I'm trying to make these nice even lines. Then the foam and the wave, as it comes down, it hits below the wave right here, and then it starts to splash up. And that foam will actually sometimes go much higher than the height of the wave here. I've been filming that and noticing that a lot. So here's what happens. What do we do with this part here? Well, here we go. Here are the lines that show you the bottom of the wave, where it's kind of horizontal, pretty much horizontal lines there. So when the foam splashes for a little bit and it comes out, it pretty much typically comes out sort of to a point like that. And there would be another bit of foam further down the beach. See, each one higher than the next as it gets further away from you. There we go. In front of the foam, there actually are parts that are darker, like I'm making it here, and where it's especially dark, or there's not much light shining, then I'll make a few vertical streaks like this, pulling that reflection across the surface of the smooth water in front of the wave. So then there's also these few little horizontals like this, and taking my eraser, I can erase a few little lines, horizontal lines across that. There, that's a simple way to make glassy looking water. So there we go. Once again, the lines are curved like this. They're getting taller. They're coming up. The wave's starting to fall over. Here's the edge of the foam, the edge of the lip of the wave. And so these lines are curving and disappearing inside the barrel of the wave here. Because I'm right-handed, it's actually a lot easier for me to do the wave coming the other direction, just the way it is. So sometimes you can flip your paper over and be able to make the lines really easily by doing the drawing upside down for a little part of it. So there we go. There's pretty much the wave. Here's the next wave coming in. Same thing. We've got these little lines, kind of like what we have going on right here. We have lines that are not super tall up and down. They're kind of laying flat. There's maybe one more wave even out there, and that's really subtle, these little lines. Okay, and by then when we get way out to the horizon, it's just horizontal lines out there pretty much. All right, that's it. Here, I'm going to make a previous wave coming in like this, lapping up the beach. And there we go. These little curved lines here. It kind of curves up like a little stair step. It's telling you that there's some thickness to the lip of the foam that's coming in. Now to separate that from the beach in front, I'm going to make a few spots where it's a little bit darker, a little bit of a shadow under there. Then I'm going to do a few of these little vertical streaks, like here, like in front of the darker little spots. A few more little horizontal lines there. And there we go. Okay, sign your drawing, Jim Freehart. Celebrate the gift of life. Have a wonderful day and enjoy.